Discover the swift method to assess your Airbnb rates. It doesn't need to be complicated. We're tackling this in 5 minutes or less right here on the Fearless Investor channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so. We're dropping invaluable insights in the short-term rental industry. Now, let's dive into something that truly excites me: numbers. Don't worry if you're not a numbers person. I'll simplify this, and towards the end, we'll delve a bit deeper into how you can solidify these figures. First, let's take a 5,000-foot overview. Imagine you have a property or arbit ranging for $1,500 a month. Additional monthly expenses, averaging around $500, cover utilities like pool pass, lawn care, gas, electric, water, and sewage. Using the rule of 3 in short-term rentals, where you typically aim for 2.5 to 3 times the long-term rental rate, you can estimate your short-term income. So, for a $1,500 rental, you could expect $4,500. Subtracting the estimated expenses of $2,000, you're left with a profit of $2,500 on a property you don't even own. This industry is genuinely exciting. I just secured another property in Fresno, making $3,500. So, the $2,500 estimate is quite conservative. Now, let's consider additional fees like cleaning, potential pet fees, and other income streams. With, let's say, an extra $300 a month, your net profit becomes $2,800. If you factor in initial expenses for furnishing and consumables, let's round it up to a $15,000 investment. With a monthly profit of $2,800, you could recoup your investment in about 5 to 6 months. Most people aim for 8–10% returns, but we're talking about a 200% return on arbitrage. This is the allure of the short-term rental industry. To solidify these numbers, we'll use tools like AirDNA and my Airbnb profit calculator. You can get the calculator for free by visiting my website, but for a more in-depth training, check out the Market Eval Kit for $97. Starting with a free membership on AirDNA, find the average occupancy rate for your city and comparable properties. Be cautious of data quality, which I cover in the Market Eval Kit. Assuming an average nightly rate of $270 and an occupancy rate of 71%, plug these values into the Airbnb profit calculator. With estimated monthly expenses, excluding rent, and assuming 20 days booked per month, you could potentially make $5,737 per month. Reverse engineering, you can now determine how much you can afford to pay in rent to make this venture profitable. If, for instance, you find a place for $2,500 in rent, you're looking at a $3,000 profit on a property you don't own, showcasing a solid return on investment. Remember, this is a high-level overview, and for a more detailed analysis, especially for risk assessment, consider upgrading to an actual zip code with AirDNA. Head over to fearlesskyle.com, go to the Airbnb tab, and explore the Market Eval Kit for a comprehensive understanding of property and market analysis.